Hi children, it's Tina again. This time I'm going to show you how we make slime. For this project you'll need school glue. I have clear, you can use white, that's fine. Baking soda, food coloring, and contact saline solution. Gather all your ingredients and I'll meet you back here. You'll need 5 ounces of glue, clear or white will do. 1½ teaspoons of baking soda. Mix quickly and very thoroughly. Add several drops of food coloring. Mix quickly and thoroughly again. Add 1 tablespoon of saline solution. Stirring very quickly, very thoroughly. It will soon separate from the bowl. Don't give up. If you have to add a little bit more saline solution, you can, but if you get to a few seconds more, sometimes it starts to separate from the bowl. There it goes. That's it. Perfect consistency. Now you can give it to your children and it's ready to be played with. Be sure to put your slime away so you have it for the next time you want to play. I put it in a plastic Ziploc bag and it will separate. It'll liquefy a bit. All you gotta do is start kneading it again and you're ready to play. That's it, kids. It was a fun video to make. Thanks for watching. See you next time.